Morning students of class 7. Today I am going to tell you a story from your book Scaling Life Values, page number 20, chapter 3, Thinking Beyond Self. It is a story about the spirit of selflessness. Once upon a time, a voyaging ship capsized during a storm at sea, and only 2 men on it were able to swim. They swam and reached to a small desert-like island. The 2 survivors, who have been good friends as well, agreed that they had no other resources but to pray to God. However, to find out whose prayer was more powerful, they agreed to divide the territory between them and stay on opposite sides of island. The first thing they prayed for was food. The next morning, the first man saw a fruit-bearing tree on his side of the land. He was able to eat its fruit. The other man's parcel of land remained barren. There was no fruit or no food items to eat. The time passed. After a week, the first man was lonely and he decided to pray for a wife. The next day, another ship was wrecked and the only survivor was a woman who swam to his side of the land. On the other side of the island, there was nothing. Soon the first man prayed for a house, clothes and more food. The next day, like magic, all of these were given to him. However, the second man still had nothing. Finally, the first man prayed for a ship so that he and his wife could leave the island. In the morning, he found a ship docked at the side of the island. The first man boarded the ship and his wife and decided to leave the second man on the island. He was left alone. He considered the other man unworthy to receive God's blessing. Why? Because he was getting blessings and he was getting the things, but the other man remained alone and empty. He was not having anything. Since none of his prayers had been answered yet, as the ship was about to leave, the first man heard a voice from heaven booming, "Why are you leaving your companion on the island?" Now, you know what the man answered? "My blessings are mine alone, since I was the one who prayed for them." The first man answered. His prayers were all unanswered, and so he does not deserve anything. "You are mistaken," the voice said. "He had only one prayer, which I answered. If he not for that, you would not have received of any blessing." "Tell me," the first man said to the voice, "what did he pray for?" Then the voice answered, "He prayed that all your prayers be answered." Have you seen, students, that what he did? The man was actually praying for his friend. So remember, students, pray for others, not for yourself. As you are selfish, then the prayers will not be fulfilled ever. So have a great day. With this thought, I wish that you all are happy and safe. Thank you.